Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying identity info and payment status. This clears the biggest cause of freezes. Sign in on a secure network, then open your Spaylater account and note any alerted reasons. Once done, capture screenshots of error messages and the balance page so you can reference specifics when contacting support. Make sure your payment source has sufficient funds and isn't blocked by your bank, because resolving that is often the fastest path to unfreeze. You now act on verification and payments. If a payment failed, make or schedule the minimum payment to lift the hold. This signals good faith to the system. Upload requested ID documents and a clear selfie, ensuring file types and sizes meet requirements. The verification engine needs clean inputs to approve quickly. If your card was declined, call your bank, confirm no blocks, and re-add the card. Once those are complete, wait for the status refresh, typically minutes to a few hours. You finish by confirming the account state, refresh the app and verify transactions are updated. If the freeze persists, open support chat, paste your screenshots and transaction ID, and ask for a manual review. This accelerates human intervention. Expect an email confirmation and a short wait. One troubleshooting tip: if the automated route fails, escalate by asking for an account specialist. People resolve complex identity or merchant disputes faster than.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.